Hey guys, well, right now we just review a new model which you see here. It's a 2D frame model, but I'm already designed a 3D views which is called as bolt and nuts. So let's see how I made bolt and nuts with thread tools. So here you can see I already created a model. After that I'm just exit sketch, and you can see here a solid body model is created. First I'm showing you a brief detail about it. I'm choosing in midplane in to design this model in 5 mm dimension. Okay, after that I am just selecting a boss extrude. Well, I just show you sketch also uh, what I'm designing here. It's a 6 mm diameter, and just extend it up to, you can see here, 26 mm. After that I am just extruded this model. Well, I'm also showing you the sketch 7 how I design and how much distance I'm choosing, dimension I'm choosing, 10 mm as you see here. And after that I'm just extruded it by choosing this extrude cut tool. Well, but I'm just flipping inside to cut. Okay, yeah, to cut the outer boundaries, not inner boundary. Okay, so you can see here. After that I'm just mirroring it to equalize my design. After that I'm just choosing thread tool. Thread tool, you can see here. Well, but first I show you how I can design it and how I can choosing in this tool. Well, first I'm just clicking on uh, this circular path where you can see here circular path, and after that I'm just choosing and condition edge face, which is called this face. Okay, after that I'm just take a type specification, which is I'm choosing metric tab to form its internal thread tool type format. Okay, not outer format, but it's thread tool type format. If you choosing diametric tool, so it can expand your dimension, and where you design already in a 60 diameter. Well, you just expand it as if you choose metric die tool. After that I'm just choosing size also, which is called a maximum 6 into 1 dimension, and after that I'm choosing extrude thread to extrude my thread tool up to this point. After that I'm just choosing offset viewport, where I'm just taking this parameter also, and after that I'm just clicking in OK button. Well, after that I'm just extrude, well, because this dimension is extended as per our design, so I'm just extrude it by choosing this portion and just extrude. Well, first I'm showing you its dimension also, 6 millimeter diameter as you see here. After that I'm just extrude it to minimize these details. After that I'm just choosing another extruded tool to equalize the design format as per its as per our creation. Okay, as you can see here. After that I'm just click on extrude tool and just it's extruded. No, sorry. After that it just cut the external designs also, and here you can see our tool has been created. After that I'm just clicking OK and yes, OK. Here this tool, and you can see here I'm already created it. Well, this tool I am creating in the same format, so I just show you how I'm creating it. Well, as you can see here, well, first I'm just showing you it's in detail link parameters. Well, you can see here, well, it's similar to previous design, so I'm already created it as per our previous design. After that I have just created an extrude cut to cut this circular pattern. Well, first I'm just showing you how I can design sketch, how I can use sketch tool in it, and you can see 6 millimeter dimension. I'm just selecting it. Well, after that I'm just extrude cut tool. I just use it through all tool I'm just using in this creation. After that I'm just choosing cut extrude. Well, first I'm just showing you how I can cut the extruded design. Well, first I'm showing you how I can design in its sketch. So as you can see, the 10 millimeter dimension, as you can see. After that I'm just cut this external parts which is outer, so I can just flip its dimension, and then so okay. After that I'm just selecting its mirror to equalize the tooling process. After that, I'm just selecting a thread tool in to thread in internal dimension, to form thread in internal dimension. Well, as you can see, I'm showing you our format also. Well, I'm similarly selecting the two, and you can see here, well, 6 millimeter dimension I'm taking, and coordinates are okay. After that, I'm just taking metric tape and 6 into 1 metric dimension I'm just taking, and in this process I'm just taking a cut thread to cut the to cut this threaded portion, or you can say this circular portion. Well, in a previous tool I'm choosing extruded thread. In this position I'm choosing cut thread. Okay, so this is the basic difference. To form this dimension, or to form this tool, it's necessary to take this path. After that, I'm just creating its assemblies also. You can see here it's equally intersect and equally merged inside it. Well, first of all, I'm showing you how I can design in mates tool. To showing you, I'm just okay. Well, here is both dimension. I'm just what I already created in this design. After that, I'm just choosing in this tool. In this process, I'm first choosing in this circular shape. After that, I'm just choosing another circular shape to concentrate a circular format, so that it can equally merged in similar parameters. And after that, you can see here a circular format. I hope you can understand this design. If you are not clear in such format, so please type it in a comment section so that I can help you in a next lecture. For this time, I'm happy to design this tool, and hope you can enjoy this design also. While you can try it, you can also try it in a similar manner as I can already designed it. Well, for now, goodbye guys, and please subscribe and share it to a maximum people so that other people can understand this design also, and come in Instagram, follow my channel also in Instagram also. And for now, goodbye guys, thank you.